daughter very much. I find her to be the most beautiful thing I have ever seen. But where we are from, that is not enough. Every program that is created must have a purpose. If it does not, it is deleted. I went to the Frenchman to save my daughter. You do not understand.
I just have never
Heard a program speak of love.
It is a human emotion.
No, it is a word. What matters is the connection the word implies. I see that you are in love. Can you tell me what you would give to hold on to that connection?
Anything.
Then perhaps the reason you are here is not so different than the reason I am here.
That's him.
Get away! Get away from me!
We don't want trouble.
Get the hell away from me!
We need your help.
I can't help you. No one can help you.
What does the train do? It's already late. It's not like the trainman to be late.
You think it has something to do with me?
I cannot say. Who knows such things? Only the Oracle.
You know the Oracle.
Everyone knows the Oracle. I consulted with her before I met with the Frenchman. She promised she would look after Sati after we said goodbye.
Goodbye. You're not staying with her?
It is not possible. Our arrangement with the Frenchman was for our daughter only. My wife and I must return to our world.
Why?
That is our karma.
You believe in karma?
Karma is a word, like love. A way of saying what I am here to do. I do not resent my karma. I am grateful for it. Grateful for my wonderful wife, for my beautiful daughter. They are gifts, and so I do what I must do to honor them.
Papa, the train.
Yes. Find your bag. Quickly.
Can I carry that for you?
Hooray.
Hurry it up, I'm late. Who are you?
He is a friend.
Mama.
I know you. So that's what they wanted.
I need to get back. I'll pay you whatever you want.
Oh,
One way or another, I'm getting on this train.
oh no. You're gonna stay right here until the Merovingian says different. If I know him, you're gonna be here for a long, long time.
I don't want to hurt you.
You don't get it.